She's starting it now! Hello guys, today I will be making my small volcano erupt. With some vinegar and baking soda, and a couple minutes ago I had to wait for my friend because she had to get a cup of vinegar.
Hello.
Because she wanted to drink it.
Hello.
Wait, you guys aren't allowed to be on YouTube.
Yes, we are. Yeah, we are.
You know what?
Then how come
I deleted?
Oh, hi.
Well, then how come I deleted my entire video because you guys couldn't be on it? I had a great video.
Say that in front of it. What is it? What your video just now? Nothing. Why do you have?
Okay, you guys didn't hear anything.
No. Drinking it. Drinking vinegar. Yes. You're weird. Thank you.
Oh my God, we were having a bad conversation. Can I show you guys faces or?
Yes.
This is my friend Brayden. This is my friend Bay. This is my little sister Allie, and this is my mom Isabel.
Oh.
Just kidding, she's not my mom. I'm adopted.
Yeah, get out of here.
Oh yeah, just kidding, Isabel is not.
daughter, but she like.
Okay, now we will finally be making the volcano erupt, and this is gonna be hard to. Bailey, could you open this?
Run over all of you kids. I can hold the phone while you do it.
Don't you dare.
Mommy. Can I pour it?
Sorry, guys. Okay, now let's do this.
You're supposed to do the baking soda first.
I don't give a crap. Yeah. Well, for now, I'm gonna add in the little amount of.
No, you're supposed to do what so it actually explodes. Have you already made it or? Yeah, she's just.
Here we go.
Wait, do you
Yeah,
have
let me check to see. Sorry, guys, I keep going out of the frame, and now it looks like a
It's gonna
butthole.
get all everywhere. So, Brayden, you might want to move behind.
Guys, you might want to go over a little bit.
Oh
my God, I'm making it look massive.
Put it like right here, so. Yeah.
No.
Just don't like. Just stay like.
Hang on, let me get a
You
little
should have
closer.
painted it. Shouldn't have.
Okay. I'm gonna take this part off. And now it's time to actually make it explode. I feel like I keep going out of frame with this.
Yeah. Move my drink of vinegar.
Hang on, let me just move over the baking soda a little.
I like making the volcano things because like it's all stuff that you can eat. You just don't want to. It's so cool.
I want to try it again.
Yeah, add more vinegar. Add more of that stuff. It'll make it even more. It'll make it go even more.
Okay, guys, I think this is gonna work out so cool. I want to keep trying it to test it to its limits.
Ow. Ow, wait.
Now let's do this.
You're okay. I hurt myself again. You're okay.
Oh my God, this is so cool.
Can I pour some lime vinegar? Just kidding.
No.
Whoa.
Let's check the inside of it.
Alyssa,
Okay.
Alyssa, if you don't use all your vinegar, can I have it?
No. I need to keep adding more.
Alyssa, you should have put like a. That's a lot of baking soda. Do you have red dye?
1, 2, 3.
I do. I have red paint.
Oh my
I have red paint. Do you want me to put red paint in it?
Nice.
I mean, it doesn't really do anything.
Oh! Again!
There's a mountain on top of the volcano.
Again!
Go again!
Again!
I smell the vinegar.
Again!
So good. It smells so bad.
Again! Again!
Even more. It's like a snow mountain now.
I've done something terrible,
It's like
guys.
a snow mountain.
What?
I poured some more vinegar.
1,
All
2,
of it
3.
in. Not all of it.
Guys,
Do all of it.
add all of it.
You just do it on the concrete. Are you eating that? No. When it's bubbling, it's getting on here.
I've done some bad stuff, guys.
Wait, just add it straight to the concrete. See what happens. Like,
Hang on, guys. We're going to do another experiment after this. By
just
putting...
do it on the concrete.
Oh, yeah. Sorry, I keep going out of frame.
You should add it like after it's all up to here. Get that nice listen to it. Yes.
Alyssa, add a
You
lot
got the
of
bunnies. Add it onto the
You got
concrete.
the bunnies. I know that's gonna be our next experiment.
Oh.
Okay, guys, I think we're
Just
gonna
straight to the concrete.
take a little pause on the volcano for now, and then we'll come
Yeah.
back to it and keep experimenting. Okay?
Maybe you could add some dirt.
You can't tell, but I just threw my legs into the air like a weirdo. And now, I was so close. This is like literally how big it is.
Oh, yeah.
But yeah, here we go. I'm gonna add a little bit to the concrete straight.
There's still like
I'm gonna add a
lots of
little-
baking soda in it. No, there's lots of liquid.
And now, oh yeah, I added some straight to the concrete. Now let me get the vinegar.
Oh, yeah.
Now
Just
we're
add a
gonna-
little bit of vinegar. Whoa. Wow.
Now I have like a bunch. Sorry guys, I went so long.
Where's the baking soda? A lot of the baking soda?
No.
Just like equal amount. Okay, that's enough.
Okay guys, I put so much on. Now 1, 2, 3.
Oh, it's
It's more baking soda!
Ah! Wait,
Mattify it! Mattify it!
Volcano. It's making its way to the volcano.
Wait, who?
They're connected. They're connected.
Oh my god, the water! Wait, this feels
Like 6
good.
miles. How to Bill? Oh, that looks cool.
Hey, get your hand in here. Yeah, I caught my friend Bailey Bay. Yeah, I caught my friend Bailey Bay.
Why is the volcano so heavy? Kind of, yeah.
Here, can I feel it? I just realized I got it all over my phone.
So heavy. I mean, the volcano is heavy. Weird.
Guys, I think I made something happen. Oh yeah, I wasn't focusing.
I can't see.
I'm sorry, Allie. Bailey, she can't see.
Now my fingers stink. Now I can see the volcano. It's so good. Okay.
Yeah, let me smell it.
Weird.
That smells good.
It smells like sugar cookies.
It smells good.
It smells good. Yeah. Yeah, it smells like sugar cookies. You know baking soda's edible, right?
Eat some, I dare you. I just spit all over my phone.
Look, Creative. It's edible. It's not actually bad. It tastes like cookies. Literally
Hang on, let me
tastes
put
like
my
sugar.
finger in here.
What does it? What does it show on here? Sassy, what does it show on here? Cookies.
I'm totally not being weird about it. Wait, guys, look at this.
Alyssa, try it. Add more baking soda.
Don't dare touch my stuff.
Vinegar. Alyssa. Now we're back with the volcano.
Now let's go back on here, guys.
Add some of this. Yeah, add some of this.
Be right back, guys.
You have to pause the thing.
No, I'm not gonna pause it. I need to wash my hands.
No.
Don't touch anything.
Just don't. I will. No. And if you do, Aiden, I will pour this all over you. Do you want me to? Allie! No. Allie, you want me to do it to you? No! Hey, Alyssa, snowballs.
Sorry, guys. Yeah, I did some stuff to my legs.
Make snowballs. I'm gonna hit you with it. Sorry. Oh, I'm faster than
Okay, guys. I think this is the.
This is the final showdown of Fortnite Season 10.
Okay, guys. I think this is done.
Zombies.
Everyone, we're all gonna go back together and say bye. So, bye.
Bye.